Good morning. If you actually watch my last video, you will see the video I made this night around 11 o'clock at night before the market opening. I actually said about what I'm actually expecting the market to do and the possible trade I'm gonna take if actually happened. And lo and behold, maybe you guys remember in that video I said that I'm expecting the market to take a bounce from here down to here, then with an engulfing candle, will not take a long. But something happened actually. I did not take the trade. What happened is that the market came and it broke this downtrend line. You guys can see it broke it down here. It had a close below before it now gave us the engulfing candle, which is supposed to be our entry. But just like I always say, there's always a rules and you have to obey the rules actually. Because you don't feel sad when you lose a trade. You feel sad when you make a mistake and lose the trade. Now the reason why I didn't take this is very simple. It broke this trend line. It broke the trend line, understand? And the close of the candle went outside our zone. So because of that, we said to ignore the trade. We said to ignore the trade. Reason being that over the time, or rather over the years, actually, I've come to do some of my analysis, practice and everything. I realized that most times when it gets out of the zone, the trade likely not to hold. But sometimes it do hold to hold. Like there's always an exception. Sometimes it holds, sometimes it doesn't. But the number of times it does not hold is always far higher than the number of times it holds. So because of that, I actually come to a conclusion whereby I don't once it breaks my trend line, I don't take it. I just let it be. Understand? So because of that, we did not take the trade on gold. Sorry, on Bitcoin. So this is currently the Bitcoin. What I'm just doing right now is that I'll just sit back and just let it just push it and see what's gonna happen. You don't force it, you're not gonna force it because it's trying to force it now, you might end up losing your money. So what I do is I just wait for it and watch what the market gonna do. If it's gonna reverse, fine. If it's not gonna reverse, if it's gonna continue going downward trend, fine. Understand? If I see another opportunity, I'll take. But not really sure. The market is here. It's not going anywhere. So opportunity is different to come again. And if you're not patient enough, when you try to force a trade, when the opportunity comes, you might not even actually have the money to take it anymore. So you just have to have patience and wait. So in other words, today we're not taking trade on good on Bitcoin rather. So we intentionally the market not give us what we want, so we just let it be. So today being Monday, we are just say we are not doing anything now, we're taking anything. We just sit back and watch and see what's gonna happen. Then after that, we went straight to our gold. Actually, remember I told you guys we're actually looking to go long on gold. If actually gold give us a second leg here with an engulfing candle, so I'm likely to take a long and take my profit around this region. Guess what happened? It did. It really did. Yeah. It came here, it gave us a second leg. As you guys can see, a second leg here. And also it has an engulfing close candle. Well, before I actually forgot, what I'm analyzing the market with is a 15-minute time frame, actually. And that's with 15-minute time frame. Though I use 3 time frame, I use 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes, actually. 15 minutes where I take my entry and everything. 4 hours is just to know the direction of the market, and also 1 hour is just to know the market direction and key resistance areas. Okay. So it gives an engulfing candle here, and the funny enough, I did not take this trade. I didn't take this trade. I actually slept off. Like I slept off. So just for me to wake up and realize that it gave an entry, it went up, and it's it just the trade not good. And there's nothing I actually noticed about good. I also say that 99% of it, most times, not 99% of the time actually, good. The entry you get at the beginning of the market of the week on good doesn't hardly good. And that's why I always have the mind to take it. Good gives you a more clearer trend at the midweek than beginning of the week. That is why I don't like holding trade over the weekend on gold. I also don't like taking trade on gold because most entry you get on Fridays always tend to be cleared on Monday. The most entries you also get on Monday, or rather, sorry, on Saturday night, they are not likely to hold most times. So I didn't take this trade. I did not. So and funny enough, the trade did not hold. It was a loss. But what's gonna happen is that since I didn't take this, what I'm gonna do is that I wait for the next entry or the next setup, and just like I said, I just sit back and wait. I'm not doing anything. The highest I can do is just maybe I might just find something that can get myself engaged today. Maybe I might just be telling my Python I'm learning, or also my playing games. I'm playing games throughout the whole day. So while I'm just waiting. But if I get a second entry, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna add this particular position which I'm supposed to take here to that particular one. So making it I'm gonna take a double position on that particular trade. Understand? So what I actually risk per trade is just $100. So because of this, I'm gonna increase the next step I'm gonna take is likely to be 200. Understand? Which is this one plus that one, making 200. So I will see where it gets to. So without wasting much of time, these are just like the two trade we looked at today, and none of them were actually valid. So we don't take anyone out of them. So in other words, we're not taking any trade today. So all we just have to do right now is just sit back and wait and wait. So I'll also keep you guys updated, like I say. And in case if you have not watched my documentary, sorry, my last month recap, that is the trade I took last month, which is January. Please do it to watch the video. You will also learn a lot from it because I always tend to post every single trade I take, both my win and my losses. Understand? I'm not, um, I'm not a content creator, so I don't care about whether what people gonna say, whether I win it or I lose it. All I just know is that I always keep updated on my trade, carry those along, those I really want to trade with me. So we lose, we lose. I don't push all win, and we know. This is trade losses part of it. So do it to watch the video. Thank you. Enjoy your day.